Hello friends, welcome to Coding Shiksha. So today in this video I will be showing you that how you can add voice commands into your website using this library called as Anyank. So this is a library by which you can add voice commands into your website. So just go to this GitHub repository and there you can have this CDN that you can include in your index.html file. So I have already included the CDN, so just copy the CDN and include it, and this is my script.js. So in this file I will write my code script.js. So just delete this code. So first of all you need to initialize this library, that is in the if condition ANNYANG. So then you need to set a command, set a voice command. So let me declare a variable that is of commands. So this will be an object here. So let me declare a command. Let me give a name to it as hello colon, and then I will define my command. So you can just go to the documentation and you can just see this code here. That is the same code that I am writing here. This is the command name followed by the action that you want to perform. So let me just perform a function of alert. So let me just write function which will just alert the user a hello world. That's it. So in order to add this command, it is very easy. You can just use a method ANNYANG dot add command, and you can just pass the commands object, and then you can just call this function start on this object starts. That's it. So this is all the code that is necessary. So if I go to the project and refresh it, let me see if I have written the code correctly or not. This is hello. Let me just copy paste this. So first of all you define the command. You can give any name of your choice. So this name you will speak and this action will be performed. And in order to add the commands, just use this method and start listening. So if I go to the application once again, so you can see that the microphone option is appearing, that is, it is listening for the voice commands. So if I just speak hello world, oh hello, hello, so you will see that as I speak hello, this alert box has been there. Hello world, you can see that. Again I speak hello, hello, hello. So you can see that I can just change the value here to something else, that is alert. So if I speak alert here, alert, so you will see that this alert, alert. So you will see that you can just change the text and you can just add a simple voice command into your website using this library.